We're on the way to meet my friend Athena because we're going to Jeju Island. I'm so excited because this is my first time ever going. I've always planned to go with friends, but then it kind of always fell through. And we're only going to be going for 3 days and 2 nights, but I also heard it might rain, so I'm trying to prepare for that. I have my luggage and I have to take the station to meet her, then we're going to taxi. So I'll see you guys at the airport. We got our tickets. I've never seen tickets like this, actually.
Me too.
It's like a receipt. Me and Athena just checked in and we're gonna go to Olivia. They have these like chains at the airport. This one looks like Athena. No, this one's you. We made it to the Airbnb. It's actually really cute. Like, it's cuter than I expected. But I think they lied about the ocean view. Do you see the ocean? Kind of. We're going to this restaurant that's literally right there. Oh. Okay, we finished checking into our Airbnb and then we kind of changed a little bit. And then we're gonna walk to get some Jeju black pork. Did you just trip? The weather is really nice out, but it's so cloudy. This is so cute. This pork is so good. I haven't had anything like it. What do you rate it? It's so good. I've never had anything like this. It's like juicier than normal pork. Hi guys, it's day 2 in Jeju and we're gonna go see the Innisfree matcha farm. This is the outfit for today. It's very pink. This is so cute. Oh my god. It's so peaceful and then there's like a river.
Oh, it smells so good.
This is
지금은 시즌 다 끝났고 카라멜 시즌이에요.
I'm so excited. This is our next stop, and it's Jeju fish. It's so cloudy today. It started being so humid all of a sudden. We're gonna go to the tea museum first. Got the green tea set. It comes with like a roll, soft serve, and then like a latte. So let's try. Isn't this the same thing? So good. Is it good? This is so good. So good. What is this? Recommend. So these are the green tea leaves that they use to make skincare. If you can make it to the end of that field, I'll give you $10.
Yeah, but my legs are gonna be like.
We made it to this cliff point. You should get one. You're so cute. It's actually really pretty. We made it to this next cafe. It's so cute. We got the seat, the best seat of the house. I got a matcha latte, and Athena got a tangerine tea.
Tangerine tea.
Hi guys, so our Jeju trip has come to an end, but we still have a full day today. We're gonna go to a horse cafe, and then we're gonna go to the Snoopy Museum. It's literally still so cloudy today, but I'm really excited to go to the Snoopy cafe. cafe. It's an hour away, and there's actually sun here. We got our food, and then we're gonna go see the horses after. This is a matcha latte and then a cheesecake because I'm starving. We just bought our tickets to meet the horse. This is so cute. It's so pretty here, guys. Athena is like pulling through with these vines. Why is there just a random chair? I feel like I'm in like an American Girl doll movie right now. Like, it's literally so sunny, but we're gonna go feed the horses now. And I'm really excited. I'm in my horse girl era. Back with our luggage. Tell me your thoughts about Tony.
It's so cute.
We're gonna go to the cafe first because we're so hungry. Even the little buzzer is Snoopy theme, that's so cute. But I got a peach-aid and then Athena got a orange juice. And it's in the shape of a Snoopy. This is so cute. But we're waiting for our food now. Okay, we got our food. This is literally so cute. We got an omurice and then a sandwich. This is our first meal of the day, so I'm very excited. Little Snoopy is so cute. The way we look so frazzled because we spent like an hour at a horse farm. It was worth it though. Cheers!
It's like 3 pieces of potato.
off the black pork.
Oh.
This is so weird.
No. That's not going in the vlog.
What is this?
That is not going in the vlog. Pumpkin.
This is so cute. It's called Snoopy in Space. Oh, I can't go in. The song is like making me so nostalgic. I literally grew up watching Snoopy, like all the Christmas episodes. This is so cute. They have the stage. Oh my god, you can make stamps here. Should we do one? Literally, what is this? I feel like I'm a child again. Oh my god.
I'm shaking so hard. Okay, I cheated.
Hey, you cheated.